For nearly 2 decades, Banner has been a leading developer of industrial radar sensors, and we strive to continuously advance radar technology and its effectiveness in extreme applications. So when other sensing methods fail to deliver, look to radar from Banner Engineering for its unique detection capabilities. Radar's primary strength comes from its resistance to environmental obstructions, including water, fog, steam, wind, snow, or dust. Use radar outdoors in all weather conditions or indoor applications such as tank level monitoring. Not only that, but radar waves are temperature stable and do not crosstalk, so they are a great choice when needed to be placed close together, such as outdoor EV charging stations. When trying to choose a radar sensor for an application, there are 2 primary variables to take into consideration: the type of material you need to detect and the distance away from the sensor. We suggest starting out by looking at the T30R, which has the widest material detection of all our radar sensors. The T30R is available in short dead zone models or models with ranges up to 15 meters, and it is the ideal choice for many manufacturing uses, including wet or dry material level monitoring. But if you're installing multiple radar sensors and need a lower cost per unit option, consider the K50R. The K50R also has short dead zone options or ranges up to 2 meters, and would be ideal for vehicle detection at closer range. The K50R also features built-in RGB LEDs for visual feedback. If you're looking for more traditional vehicle collision detection, Banner has 3 models available, the first being the QT50R. With a range of up to 24 meters, its small size is great for onboard vehicle mounting. Or if you need an easy-to-use option with more distance, look to the Q130R. With a quick-deploy PC GUI setup, it features multiple beam options and has a range up to 40 meters. And finally, if you need the most range, look to the Q240R. At up to 100 meters detection, it's Banner's longest range radar sensor. No matter the application, Banner Engineering has you covered for all your radar detection needs. To learn more about radar, any of these sensors, or talk to an engineer about your specific needs, visit bannerengineering.com.